Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Data Science with Sameer. If you are willing to make a career in data science and data analytics and you are a bit confused where to start, then we are here to help you. As you know, the web is overcrowded with lots of sources. Most of the content is not relevant in real life projects, but here we will give you the real life data science and analytics experience. If you don't have any technical background, it is totally fine. You can become data scientist without technical degree. If you are a salesperson and unable to figure out what is happening in your territory, what are the key KPIs you need to drive to get better result, how to read your data, how to convert your data into information, then also you need to join this channel as we are going to learn complete data and sales analytics in this tutorial. This is a intro video. It will give you indicative direction what are we going to learn and cover in this tutorial. So let's start. First we will glance the index. Here are the 5 slides in this video. The first one is about me. The second one is vision and mission. The third one is people to get benefited. The fourth one is topics to cover. And the fifth one is tools to cover. So first we will see about me. This is a small introduction about me. I am Sameer Abdullah, working as a deputy manager sales analyst in leading hosiery company. I am a practicing data scientist. I am 26-year-old with 8 years of work experience. I have hands-on experience of Python, Power BI, SQL and Advanced Excel. Presently, I am exploring more about ML and AI. Companies I worked in past are Dixie Textiles, Ferrero India and Parle Agro. Moving forward to next slide about vision and mission. So the vision of this channel is to improve data literacy and the mission of this channel is to help sales analysts and sales team to learn more about data analytics so that they can take data-driven decisions. Moving forward to next slide, people to get benefited. The first one is sales analyst and MIS people. This tutorial would be very beneficial for sales analyst and MIS people. As we know, Excel is not meant for handling large databases and most of the time we spend cleaning and processing the data. We will learn how to reduce our dependency on Excel. If you are a sales guy, be it SO, SE, ASM, I have seen many people track only primary and secondary numbers. Here you will learn more about sales analytics, so you must join this channel. If you are from any other department and don't want to do manual work and wants to automate your work, then this is the right platform for you where you can learn how to automate your work and save your time. If you are a student who is willing to make a career in data science can also join this channel and become a part of larger community. So the next slide is topics and contents which we are going to cover throughout this journey. There are 3 types of analytics. The first one is descriptive analytics, the second one is diagnostic analytics and the third one is predictive analytics. There are many machine learning algorithms. We have mentioned here most popular like time series, linear regression and logistic regression and decision tree. Advanced Excel, we also should know Advanced Excel. We will learn about Power Query, Power Pivot, all required formula, be it lookup formula, conditional formula. We will cover each and everything step by step. For data scientists, data visualization is also very important. So we will learn data visualization through Power BI and Matplotlib. The next slide is tools and software to cover. For any data scientist, we should have some technical skills. So here are the list of software and tools we need to know in order to excel in data analyst role. The first one is Python. Python is in high demand and must know skill in data science. The second one is Power BI. Power BI is used for data visualization. Apart from data visualization, we can do lots of data crunching too in Power BI. SQL is must know skill for data scientists. We have large databases, we need to create, view and extract data as per our requirement. One should know SQL in order to save our time, because we can't feed all the data into our data models. So we need to know SQL. And the last but not the least, Excel. Excel is very important across all departments. Excel is must know skill for any data scientist. So I'm mentioning again, this is an intro video and can give only indicative direction. There would be things which we will add on later. In this video we have this much. In next video we will install required packages of Python to start with. Thank you so much for being with us. So please do like and subscribe and begin your data science journey with Samir. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.